we go.
Hey guys, Eric here with Carolina Autos again, and hopefully the wind noise isn't too much for you guys. It's kind of windy out here at the beach at Cherry Grove, and wanted to share some exciting news, both personally for me and for the channel, you know, and you guys who watch. I took a job in Las Vegas, so Carolina Autos might not be Carolina Autos for much longer. I say might not, definitely will not be. I'll probably keep the name until I get settled in out there, then maybe we'll think about changing it. But yeah, I'm packing up the Supra, packing up all my stuff, and I'm gonna live right on Fremont Street, right down in like old downtown Vegas, nearby where like the Pawn Stars pawn shop is. So I'm out here for my last week here in the Carolinas, essentially. I want to be here for Thanksgiving, but next week I'll be out in Vegas starting my job, and then 2 weeks later I will officially move there. Let you guys take a look at the ocean. I'm out on Cherry Grove Point, so it's just this huge like wilderness basically. It's so pretty out here. Came out here by myself just to unwind a little bit before things kind of go nuts over the next few days. So if I haven't uploaded the exhaust video already, there is an exhaust video. I did put an exhaust on the Supra. And yeah, I mean, once I get moved out there, this new job is a lot more money than I even make now. So I don't know, I'm kind of thinking ZL1 or something like that. I'll keep the Supra as my daily, of course, and that was the purpose of buying it. Just wanted something fun to drive every day. But now maybe we want something with a little more horsepower. Be out there on the desert roads. And yeah, I'm going to spend a lot of time, you know, I'm going to be drinking less. I'm going to be doing, you know, I'll be alone. So I'm going to have a lot of time to do videos. So any kind of content you guys want to see from the West Coast, you know, just let me know. If there's roads you want me to go see and places you want me to go see, I mean, just let me know. Drop a comment. And yeah, we're gonna take this thing all the way out to the West Coast. Las Vegas is actually full California time, Western time. So it's gonna be fascinating. But I am glad that I got out here to enjoy the beach for a week before I go back. It's actually 80 degrees, if you can believe it or not. Today's November 7th, and it is 80 degrees and sunny in North Myrtle, or Cherry Grove. I'm literally in sandals and a bathing suit in November. It's colder in Las Vegas right now than it is on the East Coast. But yeah, so you guys bear with me. It's gonna take me some time to get settled in. But like I said, I'm gonna get bored pretty quick. So what better thing to do than film some videos for you guys? So yeah, I'll probably get synced in with the car scene out there, and we'll see what adventures await us. But yeah, sorry for such a short video. Just wanted to provide an update and see what all you guys have to say, see what you think. So I'll catch you in the next one.